Control Print Limited. Business Case Study. How can optimized IT systems enable a smooth move to the cloud and an enhanced digital core? One of the key providers of coding and marking solutions that are used by almost every manufacturing industry in order to print any type of variable information directly onto their production lines, you are looking at one of our codes. Challenges and opportunities. Design a roadmap and target architecture for consolidating two legacy ERP systems in one solution. Connect two enterprise warehouse management systems with the new solution. Consider requirements for order-to-cash, purchase-to-pay, make-to-stock, and record-to-report processes in the target architecture. Why SAP and SAVIC Technologies Private Limited. SAP S/4HANA registered for future-ready ERP and built-in intelligent technologies. Business Transformation Services Group for a proven methodology aiding successful implementation of transformation projects. A sound basis on which to make the right decisions for a system consolidation on SAP S/4HANA. Value-driven results. Standard order processing reduced from hours to minutes. Wide range of products and services will be available with technical configuration included. With an online product catalog, costs and issues of outdated material for print catalog will be eliminated. Top benefits achieved. 10%. Typical system load, down from 90%, increasing options for parallel processing. 3 seconds. To run a customer sales report, down from 5 hours. Less than 1 second. To run a materials document, down from 15 minutes. 10 seconds. To generate a bill of materials, down from at least 1 hour. SAP Services brought our SAP S/4HANA software quickly into production, sharply reducing decision cycles through real-time reporting and vastly improving operational performance by optimizing capacity. We sincerely hope that the arrangements we made for you were satisfactory to you. SAVIC is delighted to have you as our business partner.